Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I want to show you how you can create and manage zones in Minecraft with mineshare plugin. So zones are special regions which users can claim for themselves, and in those regions they can do practically anything. So there is a limitation for the size of the zone which user can claim for themselves, but once they claim it, they can do whatever they like in this zone, right? So let's I would the first thing I will do, I will change my alternative to alternative identity user1. So this user1 should actually not be able to change anything in this vault. Yes, and this is the case, we can see. So I cannot change anything here. But the user, if the zone comment is allowed in the vault, so there is a rule that can manage if the zone comment is available or not, and in this vault it is available, so the user can claim some parts of the vault for themselves as a zone. So for the user one to claim the zone, first thing should be done is to select the region where the zone should be created. And let's select this region. Okay, and let's take this region. Okay, so it looks like a good region for myself. And now I can create a zone. Share zone. Then I need to invent a name for the zone. Tutorial zone. And claim. So the claim command will try to claim the area, but as you can see, what it did, actually it resized the area. The thing is that the zone should take the whole chunks and should be, that's why it should be aligned with the size of the chunk. And if the claim operation is executed on the area which is not aligned with the size of the chunk, it will be aligned first, and then with the secondary operation the player can claim this zone. Okay, so now this user has claimed the zone in this area. So what does it mean? We're still in the tutorial vault, we are not in the zone, and that's why we cannot change here anything. But once the user is coming in his own vault, so first of all we see, okay, this is the zone, and the user can do whatever he likes in his own vault, of course. So what is important to know that, okay, so right now I again opening this zone command. We can all the time get some information about the zone by using info command, right? So what we can see here. So first of all, we can see the tutorial zone, the creator is the player Quantum Hack. And this zone takes so many blocks, so it's 1.3 million blocks. And its size in chunks is 5 times 4, so it's 20 chunks. What happens when you create a new zone? Mineshare plugin creates a special zone for you, which is called Zone Tutorial Owner, and you, as a creator of the zone, is added to this zone. You can see Quantum Hack, this is the user, and the user one is this alternative identity. We are logged in, and this zone has been assigned to allow build and the owner group. So basically, when I create a new zone, this new group is created, and it has only myself in this group, and this one is assigned to allow build and the owner, and this restricts everybody else from claiming the same area or changing something in this area. So this user one can do everything. Oh, what I forgot to point it out, that the snapshot has been created. So basically, the origin of each zone a snapshot is created, and the snapshot is a mechanism that allows to just make a copy of this area and put it into the cloud, and basically later on we can all the time come back to the original state of the zone at the moment when the zone has been created. So for owners of the vault, it's an interesting mechanism because it allows actually to preserve all the time the original state of the zone and be able to roll back the state if, let's say, the player would corrupt the stuff there or something like that, to revert back to this original state. For user itself is also a mechanism that can be used to roll back and change the stuff in this. Wow. The weather is not nice today, but so what? Zone belongs to us, and that's great. So snapshots can be created in any time actually by the user. There is some restriction on the amount of snapshot for each zone, but the snapshots can be removed and should actually be enough for managing the stuff in the zone. So myself as the user one, I can do anything in this vault. So let's maybe demonstrate it. There's some huge operation like removing some parts. Select. Alright, so I want to just show how that you actually, as a user one, have all rights to remove whatever you like and change whatever you like in this tutorial zone. Even that you don't have any rights in the vault. Okay, so I selected this region. I will extend it a little bit. Yeah, expand, and then the direction down, and let's take something like 50. So it's a huge block down. So what I can do here is to do a clean operation, and it would remove the whole block down there. Oh, this is a huge hole in the vault. Alright, so exactly this selection as I wanted has been removed, and nothing can stop me doing this in my zone. Perfect. So now in some moment I can decide, so let me just remove this bounding box. Yeah, maybe you can came up with some other ideas and decide, okay, so what I just did looks kind of ugly, and I want to revert it back to the original state. So as the owner of this zone, I can do it at any moment. But before we do it, I would propose we do another snapshot here, just to preserve this state. So zone, I go again, share, zone, I select my zone, and then I say create snapshot, and then I have to provide the name of this snapshot. So what would be this for snapshot is this, so I can call it whatever I like, snapshot 1, right? A new snapshot 1 has been created for the zone, and basically the whole zone has just been copied, and yeah, it is preserved right now in the list of snapshots. So now I can demonstrate how you can actually roll back the state of the zone to the original state. So tutorial zone, snapshot restore, and we have two snapshots that we can use to restore the state of the zone 2, and I use the origin, and as you can see, the state has just been reverted to its original state. If I would come up with the idea to come back to the snapshot 1 of this zone, just to demonstrate how it works, I go to the restore again, select the snapshot 1, and it restores my original state. not original, the snapshot 1 state. So basically it is like it is, and yeah, this is a tool you can easily use to manage the state of part of the walls. So another thing that zones allows is to restrict access to the zone to different users, and right now we are the user 1 and we are the creator of the zone. And now if I would switch to the some other identity, I will be able, of course, to go into this zone, but also as a user 1 I can restrict access to this zone to some group of people. So let's do it right now. Share zone, tutorial zone, group set, allow entrance is the group type that can restrict access to the zone. And if I would use what should I take? Maybe some zone, and then tutorial zone owner. So basically this is the same group that is specified right now as owners and builders in this group. Zone has been updated with group like this, users and so forth and so on. I can still go through this zone, but let's see if I would change my identity to the no one, what will happen. Share zone user, my user set alternative identity to the no one, right? And let's go to this zone as a no one. As you can see, you are not allowed to enter. There is no way you can enter this zone as a complete stranger to this group. Let me change the time. Okay, so this is about the zone. Yeah, let's go for this on again. Yeah, so this allow entrance I would not recommend to use, but if you have if you want to, of course you can use this zone. And this is the simple tutorial for the zones. I wanted to show you a very simple introduction to this concept, and there are much more things to know about zones, but we will cover them in others videos. Okay guys, thank you very much, and we'll see each other again in new tutorial. Bye bye.